everyone. Am I audible? So, first of all, allow me to extend my deepest gratitude for giving me this opportunity to stand before you and share a part of my journey. I am Ivy Ladaran, soon to graduate with a degree in Bachelor of Arts in Journalism, and this coming September 19 marks one of the most important milestones of my life. So last July 26, 2025, I had the chance to speak before you, and at that time, I celebrated with my fellow scholars who were recognized with Latin honors. And today, I feel truly honored to announce that I too will be graduating with distinction as a magna cum laude of Cavite State University class of 2025. At first, it feels surreal. My university is too far from home, and to pursue my studies, I needed to stay in dormitory, and living apart from my family was a challenge. But I held on to, though that distance also meant taking steps closer to my dreams. And of course, the financial struggles were not easy. Education in the Philippines comes with a great cost, and my family made many sacrifices to support me. Yet I was never left to face these burdens alone because I had the unwavering support of Enchild and my sponsor, and especially my friends here in the Philippines. My years in journalism taught me more than writing and reporting. They taught me how to narrate my own journey with courage, perseverance, and gratefulness. College life demanded hard work and sacrifices, but in moments of difficulty, your generosity and encouragement have gave me the strength and to move forward. Your help allowed me to study without constantly worrying about expenses. But beyond the financial support, what really lifted me was the confidence, hope, and love you shared with me. You proved that even people miles away could care deeply and believe in my potential. And the blessings continue. I am humbled to share that even before graduation, I was accepted as a writer at a state-owned media here in the Philippines. This is just the beginning of the career path that you have helped me reach. And as I step in this new chapter, I carry not only achievements but also the kindness, trust, and faith that you have poured into me. This success does not belong to me alone, it belongs to all of us. To everyone in Angel, Japan, and Philippines, thank you very much. I may not be able to mention each name, but please know that I will forever treasure your support. What you have given me will never be forgotten. I sincerely pray for your continued health, happiness, and that you may be blessed even more, so you can keep touching the lives of others the way you have touched mine. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our generous and lovely sponsors. I am I am Justin Miel Rodriguez, proudly from San Isidro Antipolo City. I am currently grade 10 student at San Jose National High School, and this year marks my fourth year in junior high school. This point has not been easy. My grading journey is filled with challenges, whether it's about academics, project, or responsibility inside and outside this classroom. There are times when I feel pressure and tired, but despite all of that, I have learned to manage and keep moving forward. I realize that difficulty are part of being student and they help us grow stronger and more prepared from the future. Even though my junior high school is quite hard, but I make sure to balance my studies with activity that make me enjoy my high school life. I joined club like math club and science club where I learned beyond our classroom lesson. This organization helped me reach helped me teach the teamwork, leadership, and friendship, which make my school life more colorful and memorable. I also treasure my time outside of the school, spending moments with friends, attending church, and mostly important, being with my family. My family is my biggest inspiration, and I want to make them proud. That's why my number one goal is become an honor student. I dream of walking on stage during a moving up ceremony, hearing my name called, and seeing my family with a smile and pride. with a pride that my vision is motivate me to keep working hard. And this is why I'm truly grateful to you, our sponsor. Without your kindness and generosity, opportunity like this would be not possible. Your support not only helped me with my education, but it also inspired me to keep dreaming of my dreams. You make my you make students like me believe that we're not alone in this journey. There's are more people there are genuinely care about on our future. On behalf of myself and my fellow students, thank you for trust and your generosity and your belief in us. We promise to do our best, to work hard, and to make proud of the support of your given. Once again, thank you so much for being part of our journey. Good afternoon, and may we all continue to dream big and work hard for the brighter future.
Greetings and good afternoon, everyone, especially to Mr. Tudate and our dear sponsors. I am Axel Ross Ferrer from Timoteo Paes, and I am really honored to be speaking with you today as we gather through this online meeting via Zoom. So, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire Enchild family for giving me this opportunity to speak. So, Enchild has been beside me for a long time now, providing the support and love that I need. I am deeply thankful to all the sponsors and to everyone, not to mention that I became part of this family back in third grade, and that was 8 years ago. So currently, I am a little step closer to one of my goals. And now I am a grade 12 student, and there are only few months left before I graduate as a senior high school student. To be honest, I am kind of scared to start my college journey, but I am doing my best to prepare myself for the path ahead, and I know that Enchild will be there to help. With this, I hope to inspire others to be resilient and persistent despite the obstacles and hardships that may come as you strive to achieve and fulfill your dreams. So, thank you for making everything possible, for organizing this meaningful event, and for bringing us together once again. Have a great day ahead and take care, everyone. See you soon po.
So, this is a poem of a heartfelt gratitude to Enchild and to all Japanese sponsors, and also to President Takanori Todate. It celebrates a decade of support and a personal journey from being a beneficiary to becoming a giver. This poem entitled My One Child, One Piece. The flicker of a tiny candle, a hopeful whisper in the vast uncertain dark. That was me, a small child with big dreams, carrying a heart with a faint and fragile spark. But then you came, and child, a hand extended, a warmth that filled the empty hollow space for more than a decade. You've been my lifeline, a constant in this herd ever-changing race. I remember the first time I heard your name, a promise held in the gentle words of our motto, one child, one piece. You didn't see me as just another number. You saw a whole life, a puzzle that needed to be complete. And your support wasn't just a check in the mail. It was a blanket of security woven with care. When school fees loomed large, a mountain to climb, you were there. When my spirit felt heavy, weighed down my despair, you were there. Offering a listening ear, a space to just be. You saw the potential within me that I couldn't yet see. And I can't forget your very heart and child, the kind faces of the Japanese sponsors who shone with grace. You traveled so far not for recognition or praise, but to meet the children you helped, to put a face to the case. You showed us that kindness has no boundaries, no distance. That a simple act of love can cross the widest sea. And Mr. Takanori Todate, our president, Your vision was clear, to empower us, to believe in what we could be. And now, look at me. The child you helped nurture is now a young woman, standing on the brink of a new, incredible pace. I am a fourth-year student, ready to graduate soon, my mind filled with knowledge, my heart filled with praise. And with every step I take toward that diploma, I carry your legacy, your unwavering belief. Soon, the tables will turn, the roles will reverse. The beneficiary will become the giver to provide relief, and I will carry your mission, your beautiful cause, and help another child find their way. I will tell them about ENCHILD, the organization that taught me the true meaning of a brighter day. Thank you, ENCHILD, from the deepest part of my soul, for every sacrifice, every moment, every tear, every cheer. We miss you more than words can say, and we hope to see you all again. Your kindness is a light that will always shine bright and clear.